I am Enrique and I am connecting what matters.
I'm Alexi and I'm connecting what matters.
I am Elaine and I am connecting what matters.
I am Chris and I'm connecting what matters.
I'm Ritu and I'm connecting what matters.
I'm Paul and I'm connecting what matters.
I'm Marlon and I am connecting what matters.
HB Fuller connects what matters by being a global adhesives company with branches in many continents, many countries, and a very good collaboration program that brings people together with great ideas and great innovations.
At the very literal sense, we actually bond a lot of things together. But bigger than that, I think our adhesives and our solutions that we bring to our customers are connecting their needs and improving people's lives.
And not only products, we also provide service to customers and to help them to solve the problems.
Solving quality issues and making it easier to be applied. And then at the end of the day, we have much less material going to the trash. We have a better standard, for lighter packaging.
It's important to get out, to see what's going on, getting out, getting that interaction, that personal connection, to hear what they have to say, both what is actively being said and a lot of the things that they might not know is a problem that we as experts with adhesives, sealants, and coatings can really help them with.
They bring that information to us, the scientists, and then we formulate that solution. What matters in this case is that we are helping our customers make a successful product. And sometimes those products are actually, when they end up in the hands of the consumer, they're making either their lives easier. For example, it could be a diaper, it could be a smartphone. So at the end of it all, what we're making is everybody's lives easier.
HB Fuller makes you feel like a family. HB Fuller makes you feel comfortable picking up the phone or sending an email to somebody in North America, in China, in Europe. It doesn't matter, right? There's always somebody somewhere in the Fuller world that you could speak to, and they connect you and get you the results that you need.
I am a chemist. My job is to develop new products.
So I feel a connection to the customer and being able to help them solve a problem.
So my job is to go to the customers with our salespeople, understand it, and then bring that knowledge back into the lab and make that happen.
How do I connect what matters? I help out with formulations. I'm a formulator, but then I also am the link between the lab, which is me, and the plant making the products as well. I also am field technical, so I will go out on sites and help applicators and users use our products as well.
Jokingly, I would say I make glue, right? Which is true. I do make glue. But more importantly, I think I see myself as my team as problem solvers. So we get these big problems and big opportunities to deliver the most innovative solution, and that's how we make an impact in people's lives.